Got a 1990 Lexus ES250 V6 4-cam. Customer reported that while driving, vehicle just stalled. Cranked after that, no start. Picked up the vehicle, same problem. Crank, no start. Went to the fuel pump. Fuel pump has power pumping. Found an issue over here on this one main coil wire. It's a main feed coil wire. You can see how it's been routed over the exhaust manifold right there. Alright, David, let's crank this over, man. Let's show this. Go ahead. Hold on. Hold on. Go ahead. Alright. So there you see it. We got a main coil wire that feeds all the rest of the spark plugs and the distributor. It feeds the distributor. You can see that that's clearly grounded. That's a primary grounded circuit right there. We'll replace these wires, do a tune-up on this car, has some oil leaks too. We're gonna get those fixed. Alrighty.